Hello everybody, this is Carlos. In this video, we're gonna go over IV therapy, primary line priming, and infusion rate set. You'll need a primary IV tubing, an IV fluid bag, and an IV pole. Start by performing hand hygiene. Grab your primary IV tubing. Find a pre-cut line and tear package open from there. Remove the IV tubing from the package. Now straighten out the IV tubing, checking for kinks and defects. Slide the roller clamp up until just below the drip chamber position. Now close the roller clamp. Grab your IV fluid bag. Open the IV fluid bag from its protective cover by tearing from the side. Check for correct IV solution. Check expiry date. Check for leaks and fluid clarity. Remove the blue cover from the entry port. Remove the cover from the spike. Now insert the spike into the port in the back. Hang the bag onto the IV pole, maintaining the cap on the IV tip line. Squeeze the chamber, filling fluid to the line, but no more than half the chamber. Remove the cap from the IV tip and put it aside. Open the roller clamp slowly to prime the IV tubing. You should see dripping from the chamber. You can see the solution slowly priming the line. Flip the upper connector of the primary IV tubing upside down. Flick it to get rid of the air. Now do the same with the lower connector in the primary IV tubing. Do a visual check of your IV tubing for any air bubbles. Prime until free of bubbles. Once the IV tubing is primed, put the cap back on to maintain sterility of the tip. One last inspection to ensure IV tubing is free of air. Our order is normal saline at 150 milliliters an hour. After we do our calculation, we get 25 drops per minute, or about 6 drops in 15 seconds. Now use the roller in the primary IV tubing to set your IV rate. Open it slowly and count the drops in the chamber. Remember that we should get about 6 drops in 15 seconds. The first drop starts a timer, and your next drop is your actual first drop. The rate's a bit fast. Use the roller to slow down and try it again. First drop starts the timer. Still a bit fast. Need to slow down just a little bit. First drop starts the timer. 1 drop. 2 drops. 3 drops. 4 drops. 5 drops. 6 drops. After a few tries, we got 6 drops in about 15 seconds. Label the IV tubing and bag with your name, the date, and the time. Finally, document your intervention. My documentation will be normal saline infusion of 500 milliliter bags running at 150 milliliters an hour, started at 1400 hours. Peripheral IV on left forearm was used to deliver infusion. IV site appeared clean and satisfactory, and saline log flushed without resistance and had good blood return. Patient was provided with education and with the opportunity to ask questions. Patient appears comfortable and had no further questions at this time. Sign. Please keep practicing, and thank you for watching.